Okay, so we've done our unwrap and it's okay, but it needs some little tweaking. So I just thought we'd go through a few options on this 2D view. Now, first of all, we have the selection modes. So currently I'm in vertex selection mode, but we can go to edge, we can go to polygon, or even island. And island is essentially any one of these pieces that we've split off using those UV seams. Okay, so one thing that bugs me a little bit is this one. It's clearly not square. So I'm just going to grab it in island mode and move it up a bit because it's a little bit close to that other one. And then I'm going to go into vertex mode and select the bottom vertex and just square it up a little bit. Just give it a little tweak. Nothing very exciting. There we go. And then I'll go into island mode and just pop it back into place. You don't want any of these to be overlapping each other because then you'll get odd kind of views on your texture, whereby you might have one texture overlapping another. They've got completely different textures and it just doesn't look right. So they need to be separate. So what else have we got in here? So we have some view options. Where you can turn off and on various different bits. So I've turned on the sidebar there, so I've got image, tool and view, and we have some select options where we can select more, less, different things, etc, etc. Some image options and some UV options. So tools, we can mirror, we can snap, all sorts of things, which we'll get to in later tutorials when it's not quite such a simple UV. Okay, so that's pretty much there. Nothing very exciting on that particular video. In the next one we're going to add in a material zone which will allow us to change the properties of this crate, and then we'll go on to do some actual texturing. So I'll talk to you then.